So hi guys, welcome. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tony, and if you're an OG, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, which you have already seen by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair from this to this. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So first off, I'm going to explain why my hair is in a bonnet. Like, my hair looks amazing right now. I'm telling you, you'll be shocked. So let's just leave that for now. Then right now, I'm going to present to you the star of today's video. Let's give a round of applause for this thing, which is going to change your natural hair. It will change your hair. You're going to love your hair after this. So the star of today's show is no. Can you guess what it is? I would like to see anybody that can guess. Don't fast forward the video and be like, and then you go to comments below and comment what you've already seen. Just try guessing. Let me see what you guys guess. So it is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. I'm telling you, you're going to love me for this. I'm not even kidding. Like, you should try this. So let's proceed to the tutorial.
So there's some things you're gonna need for this video. I am using the popsicle, a spoon, some apple cider vinegar, water, and the starch string. So right now I'm using 4 spoons, but I realized that this wasn't enough and I had to make another batch of 3 spoons. So if you have as much hair as I do, you can use 7 spoons to it. So I went ahead to wet my hair off camera, and now I'm going to apply the mask. So some benefits of this hair mask include elimination of dandruff. It detoxifies and cleanses the hair by drawing out toxins, impurities, and residual hair products out of the hair. It opens the hair cuticle, allowing for better absorption of products. It helps define the curls. It balances the pH of the hair and also increase moisture retention.
So my camera died, but this is what my hair is looking like. I've applied the mask throughout my hair, and I'll be back. I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes, and then I'll be back when it's all done. It has been up to 1 hour. I slept a little bit, and now my hair is dry. I'm going to rinse this off with some hot water, and I'll be right back. Like, do you guys see this? Like, seriously, I love this hair mask. See how bouncy my hair is, and my curls are clumping together. Like, I haven't tried any hair product that made my hair this soft. I'm not even kidding. I feel like everybody should try this. My hair is usually very dry, so I really love this hair mask. Like, look at this curl. It's clumping. So I feel like everybody should try this. Please try it out, and if you do and if you like it, please leave a comment below. I'd like to see or hear what was your experience with the mask. So if you liked this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Also share to someone who you think may find this video helpful, and I'll be posting videos every Sunday, so bye.